stay in control. Any opportunity that you give them, they're definitely going to take advantage of. So, you know, it's the reminders that we talk about on the board. We have to call out who's going where, what's happening, and all that stuff. And, you know, it's definitely not a one-man job. You need to hear things from every place. You need to trust each other. So as much as I want to say, like, I was locked in, it had to be everybody that was locked in. I mean, coaching staff, bench, whatever it was, we all had to know what was going on to make sure that we handled it properly. So I'm glad that, you know, it was well executed. I'm glad that it went the way it did. So I'm just happy and I'm blessed to be here.
After those starting paano yun lang sila motivate? And then paano kayo nag-ganun para makuha? Lalo na yung sumunod na doon, sobrang naging nila.
Actually, hindi na yung motivation na yung pag-remind na talaga sa kanila na maging present kahit sobrang bilis na mga nangyayari. Tapos, going to this game naman talaga yung focus sa kanyang patience naman talaga namin yung madadest. Kasi nga sobrang hirap ko lang palaro. Yun lang talaga siguro sumabay rin yung mga good breaks dahil nung nahabol namin yung second set. So, yun na, nung nag-third and fourth, anybody's game na nga ulit. Pero at least, importante talaga na na-recover namin yung first set na litong-litong kami ng set. Dahil sobrang pinaganda talaga.
Liga yung nga nabanggit mo magpasok ng Indonesia na gusto mo rin maranasan yung championship na naglalaro. Gano'n lang ka-fulfilling ko na ito na ako yung championship at naka-contribute ka sa this conference.
So, syempre, sobrang fulfilling yun. Kasi, finally, I've been waiting for this time. Kasi, syempre, yung mga rookies, they've been playing with the other teams, with their teams. So, parang nilulog forward ko din talaga makapag-play with the team. And I'm really blessed. Everything that's lumalagay sa akin.
Kat, you won your first championship 2 weeks ago, your first finals MVP din. So parang ano lang sinasabi nito about kumbaga yung age at yung tagal sa volleyball na kahit maraming mga bagong pumapasok, parang pinatunayan ko rin it's never too late din. Kumbaga rise and reach ang level sa PVL.
Shocks, hindi ako ba? Uy, hindi naman. Actually, yung malaking tulong talaga yung binibigay na challenge and mindset ng mga coaches. Hindi lang siya sa game, sa training na kailangan. Lagi na kami nire-remind, lalo na sa coach talaga, yung alagaan ng katawan, tapos yung mindset na dapat sa training pala mapupukan na, yung kailangan paghirapan mo yung every opportunity na dumating. So, thankful lang din talaga ako na actually, sila yung nakasama ko. Kasi nga, yung pasensya nila sa akin, nag-i-fit. Yun din yung siguro nagiging successful. Kaya din hanggang ngayon, dito pa rin ako naglalaro. And siguro din, kasi komportable din talaga ako sa yung mga kasama ko. Yung walang filter yung ginagalaw ko, walang hesitation. Kasi alam nila paano ako maglaro, alam ko din paano sila maglaro. So, nagko-complement lang talaga yung mga players ko each other. So, kaya siguro na-maintain ko din kung ano, na-maintain at hinihigitan ko yung everyday.
And for example, you talked about sacrifices even before you got to the team. PMP went through a lot of almost, a lot of heartbreaks as well. But now with 2 championships, how have you grown not only as an athlete but also as a person in terms of taking risks and facing uncertainty, even though the guarantee isn't always there? But today at least it was.
I think the hard part now is just not to get comfortable. A lot of people make it great and then kind of fall off. So I think our job from here on out is not to kind of look back and see how hard, like obviously recognize how hard it was to get here, but what it looks like from here on out. There's going to be a lot more sacrifices, a lot more days that we don't want to show up, but we do, a lot more blood, sweat, and tears. So all I can speak about is, you know, how we can maintain that going forward and, you know, how we can thrive from here on out.
And for a year before the champion, we won championships in the college level before. What part of the championship DNA do you really with this out? And you see with this PLP team, or you also needed to bring up the team in order to win this championship?
Syempre yung tiwala namin sa amin. Kasi, iba din talaga yung nabibigay ng up, hindi napapatalo. So parang, syempre, I want to be in that level din. Kahit na parang there like times na ako. Pero ano yung ginagastay ko na rin sa video, which is really helpful. Kasi sobrang kailangan kong bumalik talaga. Kasi I know, malaki din yung role sa loob ko.
For Gab, obviously, it's a couple of years now with the team, and may mga times kasi in the previous seasons na parang close enough na kayo, but never yung na-get over yung hump, and now back-to-back championships. In your opinion, as one of the leaders in the team, ano yung pinaka-nagbago among yourself or your teammates na nag-lead dun sa ganitong klaseng success with the team?
Ano? Parang siguro yung simula kasi nung parang grabe na yung parang hindi lang physically yung parang trabaho ng bawat isa. Yung mentally, yung mental toughness na as nasabi. Na siguro malaking tulong din talaga yung mga hormones, yung heartbreaks. Kasi nga, yun yung parang naging motivation namin na pag nandun kami sa ganung sitwasyon, parang alam namin yung kailangan namin gawin. Kasi hindi lang din naman sa isang side lang. Parang kailangan din namin hanapin kung ano ba, saan ba kami nagkulang. So lahat naman. So inaccept lang din talaga ng bawat tao yung role as ng team, sa team. So napadali din siguro dahil na nakikinig yung bawat isa sa mga instruction ng coaches. Siguro yung pinaka-akin talaga is yung sa mental talaga na piniga talaga kami ng coach kung paano kami ngayon, kung paano i-compose yung isa't isa.
Sabi, we saw you go on in Salor Talks. You can talk about celebrating this your second championship with your family.
Well, I missed the first one. They were actually lower box. That was considered patron, but it was a little bit far, so I had to go up. But I mean, they're a big reason why I'm here. They're the closest I can get to my mom right now, so I feel like sharing this moment with them and having them support me through. I mean, when I started volleyball is a big thing, and to finally come back full circle and have this moment in front of them means a lot to me. So I'm glad that I can share it with them and have them part of the journey.
For Coach, ngayon po, PLDT ngayon mga team na nagkaroon multiple PBL titles. For so long, umikot sa dalawang team yung PBL and championships. Nakikita niyo ba yung future moving forward na magiging regular title contender na yung PLDT? Baga first or second of many title win na para sa
siguro, since nung nagkaroon ng movement na lumipat kami ng PLDT, hindi naman talaga yung goal nila ever since. Yun lang, moving forward, kailangan talaga namin i-face yung conference ng parang kami yung nagugutom pa rin. Pero yun nga, to think na or to consider na kami na yung palagi na wala namang ganong assurance. Lalo sa future, kasi tulad ng mga lessons namin from the players na lumipat na nung binibuild namin yung team. So wala talaga siyang assurance kung gaano katagal din kayo magkasama-sama. Pero yun nga, ang pinapagin ko sa kanila, habang kung sino yung nandyan, sulit na talaga na.
Looking forward to the first classic game for the man.
Yun pa rin yung malaki pa rin yung load ng outside. So regardless kung sinong outside sa locals yung gamitin or i-convert ko kung ano man, for sure, mga pag-ano naman. Pero yun nga, yung mga nilalabas ngayon ng mga news na mga possible imports mga malaki, hindi talaga siya magiging madali kasi lahat yung high caliber din. So definitely, malaking challenge din para sa akin.
Thank you guys. Thank you sa akin.
Sure na yan? Wala na ba, boy?